What? Still searching online how to become AI engineer? Stop scrolling. This is your complete AI engineer roadmap. Hey everyone, welcome to Giving Back AI Education. Today we are talking about something super exciting for all of you developers out there looking to make the jump into the booming field of artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard it right, the AI. Now we are breaking down the AI engineer roadmap, the 12 course version, a comprehensive learning path designed especially for you, for developers like you, so that you can go and follow the exact same path and get into a high-paying career in tech. This roadmap is not just about theory. It's intensely focused on large language models, LLMs, APIs, prompt engineering, vector databases, LangChain, and crucially, productionization. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what does it take for you to build and deploy your own full-stack LLM-powered application. Let's break down each and every stage of this incredible journey. Before we go there, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. Page 1. The foundations. Python foundations for AI. First up, we are solidifying your programming bedrock. You'll master Python syntax, functions, and even object-oriented programming. You'll also learn about virtual environments, type hints, and modules. The ultimate skill here, core language proficiency in Python. Software engineering for AI devs. Next, we get serious about clean production-ready code. This course dives into Git and GitHub for version control, working with REST APIs, and essential practices like error handling and logging. By the end, you'll be a pro at API building and writing clean code. Phase 2. Understanding LLMs and data. Intro to LLMs and generative AI. This is where the magic begins. You will discover what an LLM actually is and learn how to perform inference using popular APIs like OpenAI and Anthropic. You'll also get a handle on token limits and understanding core model behavior. These skills, you'll learn how to call models and truly understand their behavior. Prompt engineering basics. This is an absolute game changer for working with LLMs. You will learn the difference between zero-shot and few-shot prompting, how to format outputs, and master prompt templates. Your superpower here will be to craft truly effective prompts, structured outputs from LLMs. Moving beyond basic prompting, this course teaches you how to get reliable, structured data from LLMs. Think prompting for JSON using regular expressions, regex for parsing and implementing essential guardrails. You'll gain the ability to parse reliable answers from even the trickiest LLMs. Embeddings and similarity search. This is where things get really smart. You will learn what embeddings are, how they capture semantic meaning, and how to use cosine similarity for effective document search. Your outcome? Mastering semantic matching, which is crucial for advanced AI applications. Vector databases and retrieval. Building on embeddings, this course introduces you to various vector databases like FAISS, Chroma, and Pinecone. Most importantly, you will learn to build a retrieval augmented generation system, popularly known as RAG system, covering concepts like chunking and metadata. This means you'll be building powerful contextual retrieval systems. Let's move on to the phase 3, which is about building and orchestrating with LangChain. Building with LangChain. Now it's time to bring all together with LangChain. This course dives deep into its core components: chains, agents, memory tools, routings, and LangChain expression language, popularly known as LCEL. You will master chains, memory management, and effective tool used within LangChain, LLM-powered tools and agents. This is where AI applications become truly intelligent and dynamic. You will learn about agent executor, defining tools, and how to build simple AI assistants that can use tools to perform complex tasks. Your skills: mastering agent and tool-based reasoning. Let's move on to the phase 4. This is where production deployment happens. Production-ready LLM apps, popularly known as LLM ops. It's not enough to just build on your computer. You need to deploy it, right? Because it needs to meet to the target audience and you need to generate revenue, of course. This crucial course covers handling real-world challenges like rate limits, retries, proper logging, and exception handling. You will learn how to design a clean, service-based architecture for your LLM applications. This is about logs, retries, and true production readiness. Finally, let's let's get your AI app out there. You will learn how to Dockerize your AI application, build user interfaces with frameworks like Streamlit or Fast API, and deploy to platforms like Render or Vercel. Your key skill will be deployment using these powerful tools. Finally, we are at the phase 5, which is the grand finale. This is where you will do capstone project, your own AI agent. This is it, guys. The culmination of everything we have learned so far. You'll build a complete LLM powered tool or application from scratch. This means integrating prompting, embedding search, LangChain orchestration, and a fully functional deployment interface. Imagine building an AI resume reviewer or a YouTube title generator or even a legal document question and answer tool. For an extra challenge, you can even add CI/CD with GitHub Actions. The ultimate outcome, you build a fully functional full stack LLM application ready to get out there and get your users. Finally, you can also monetize your own AI agent application. And there you have it, the AI Engineer Roadmap, the 12 course version. This path takes you from Python basics all the way to deploying sophisticated full stack LLM applications. If you are serious about transitioning into AI role and building the next generation of intelligent applications, this roadmap provides a clear, actionable path. What do you think about this roadmap? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.